Ladies and gentlemen, today we are proud to present a series of skits adapted from Monty Python. Please sit back and enjoy our program, Tales of 7th Grade.
Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell.
Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell.
Area is pi r squared.
Area is pi r squared.
25 music points due next Friday.
25 music points due next Friday.
Reading journal due at 11:59. Reading journal.
There's a witch! 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 Is that a witch, lady? Burn! Burn! Whoa, wait. How do you know that she's a witch? Well, she looks like one. Yeah! Yeah! Bring her forward.
I'm not a witch. I'm not a witch.
But you're dressed like one.
They dressed me up like this.
No! No! Definitely didn't.
And this isn't my nose, the fake one.
Well, we did do the nose. The nose and the hat. But she's a witch!
Yeah.
She's a witch! Did you dress her up like this? No! No!
Yep.
Yeah, just kind of. Just a little bit. But she's not a wart! What makes you think that she's a witch?
She turned me into a giraffe.
A giraffe. You got better. Burn her anyway! Burn! Burn her! Quiet, quiet, quiet. There are other ways of telling whether she's a witch or not. Are there?
Really?
Tell us.
Tell us.
Yeah, tell us. What are they? Do they hurt? Tell me. What do you do with witches?
Burn!
And what do you burn up hurt from witches? More witches! Wood! So, why do witches burn? Because they're made of wood? Good!
Oh.
So how do we tell whether she's made of wood or not? Build a bridge out of her! You can also make bridges out of stone. Oh yeah. Facts. Does wood sink in water? No, but it floats, it floats! Throw her into the pond! Yeah, throw her into the pond! What also floats in water? Bread! Chairs! Apples!
A duck.
Oh! Exactly! So logically, if she weighs the same as a duck, she's made of wood! And therefore, a witch! A witch!
I've got a duck. Use this duck.
Very good. Get up. It's the same! Oh, wait!
Fair enough.
It's a
Please. That'll be 607.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Some people want to be astronauts when they grow up. Some people want to be doctors. Not Lucas. Lucas dreams of being the new teacher of silly walks at Topeka Collegiate Middle School.
Good morning, class. Sorry to have kept you waiting, but my walk has become rather silly lately, and it takes me rather long to finish work. Now then, how is everyone doing today?
Ooh.
Ellen.
I've been working super hard on my silly walk. Can I please share the class?
Great, show us. Anyone else?
Ooh, teacher, I've been working very hard on my silly walk and I'd like to share with the class.
Excellent, show us. No, it's not particularly silly. You're just crouching over and acting like a language arts teacher. I understand that you may think we're just playing games here. You may think this is all just silly nonsense. You may think this won't help us in the real world, but that's no excuse to put off your studies.
Yes, teacher.
Come now, class, let's go to lunch.
Wait! You forgot your latte! Oh, sorry.
Giving me trouble.
Oh no, what kind of trouble?
Well, for one, there wasn't any instructions on it.
Excuse me?
The instructions. There wasn't any instructions.
I think you mean there weren't any instructions. Wow, I didn't expect the grammar police. Nobody expects the grammar police. Our chief weapon is surprise. Surprise and fear. Fear and surprise. Our two weapons are fear and surprise, and ruthless efficiency. Our three weapons are fear, surprise, and ruthless efficiency, and an almost fanatical devotion to the Grammarly. Our four, no. Amongst our weaponry are such elements as fear, surprise. I'll come in again. Wow, I didn't expect the grammar police. Nobody expects the grammar police. Amongst our weaponry are such diverse elements as fear, surprise, ruthless efficiency, and an almost fanatical devotion to the Grammarly, and camo jackets. You'll have to say the bit about our chief weapons are. I couldn't do that. I didn't expect a kind of grammar police. Nobody nobody expects the grammar police. I know. Nobody expects the grammar police. In fact, those who do expect. Our chief weapons are surprise, and. Okay, stop. Stop talking, please. Be quiet. Our chief weapons are surprise, blah, blah, blah. Cardinal, read the charges.
You are hereby charged that you did on diverse dates commit heresy against the English language.
That's enough. Now, how do you plead? We're innocent. We'll soon change your mind about that. Now, Cardinal, the rat! I know you can't. I didn't want to say anything. I just wanted to try and ignore your crass mistake. It makes it seem so stupid. No, just pretend for God's sake. Now, old lady, you are accused of heresy on 3 counts. Heresy by thought, heresy by word, heresy by deed, and heresy by action. 4 counts. Do you confess? I don't understand what I'm being accused of. Then we'll make you understand. Biggles, fetch the question! Here they are. Now, you have one last chance. Confess the heinous sin of heresy. Reject the works of the ungrammarly. 2 last chances, and you shall be free. 3 last chances. You have 3 last chances, the nature of which I have divulged in my previous utterance. I don't understand what you're talking about. Fine then. Biggles, bang! Help her with the soft cushions! Confess, confess, confess! I don't seem to be hurting her. Have you got all the stuffing off one end? Yeah. She's made of harder stuff. Colonel Fang, fetch the comfy chair!
The comfy chair?
Are you questioning me? Go get the comfy chair or you're next! So you think you are strong because you can survive the soft cushions? Well, we shall see. Biggles, put her in the comfy chair! Now, you will stay in the comfy chair until lunchtime, with only a cup of coffee at 11. Is that really all it is? Yeah. I see. I suppose we make it worse by shouting a lot, do we? Confess, woman! Confess! 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 I'll confess. Not you! Oh, the instructions are on the back.
What is he doing here?
He's the keeper of the bridge to 8th grade. He asks each traveler 5 questions.
3 questions.
3 questions. Any who answers the 5 questions.
3 questions.
3 questions may cross safely into the 8th grade.
What if you get a question wrong?
Then you are cast to the eternal peril.
What happens in the Gorge of Eternal Peril?
I hear it's a never-ending eternity at 7th grade. We have a history day deadline every day.
I heard there's math homework, and you always have to show your work.
I heard there's a reading journal and a vocab quiz every day.
Oh, I won't go.
Who's gonna go?
Brave Sir Izzy. Yes, Brave Sir Izzy. Hey, you go.
No.
I have a great idea. Why doesn't Leah go?
Yes, let me go, my liege. I shall take him single-handedly.
No. Just answer the 5 questions.
3 questions.
3 questions, and we shall watch and pray.
I understand.
Good luck, brave Sir Leah.
Stop. Who goes there must answer me these questions 3. And the other side they see.
Ask me the questions, Bridge Keeper. I'm not afraid.
What is your name?
Sarah Leah of the 7th grade.
What is your class?
To enter 8th grade.
What is your favorite color?
Blue.
Right, off you go.
That was easy.
Stop. Who approacheth the bridge to 8th grade must answer me these questions 3. And the other side they see.
Ask
Ask me the questions, Bridge Keeper. I'm not afraid.
What is your name?
Izzy, of the 7th grade.
What is your quest?
To enter the 8th grade.
What is the derivative cosecant squared plus 1?
What? I don't know that.
Stop. What is your name?
Sir Ava of the 7th grade.
What is your quest?
I seek entry into the 8th grade.
What is your favorite color?
Blue. No, yellow.
Stop. What is your name?
Drake, king of the 7th grade.
What is your quest?
I seek entry into the 8th grade.
What is the weapon the Mad Titan Thanos uses to fight Thor in the Marvel's Avengers franchise?
Well, that depends if we're in Marvel Avengers Endgame or Infinity War.
Hey, what kind of question is that?
Huh, I don't know. Oh, wait.
Can we give them another round of applause?